Hi, I'm Lauren from SnowboardSecrets.tv, and here's a little snowboard secret. Mountain Creek has a half pipe. I was here a month ago, and this was just not here. So, we're happy to see it. And it really must be a secret because it is Saturday afternoon, the mountain has plenty of people on it, and there's nobody in this half pipe.
I'm gonna go throw one day.
You okay? Okay, it's a little icy landing. I think we should scratch this. Certain runs tonight, you can have them all to yourself. One of the great things about night riding is you can start at 3:30, get 5 hours in, you're done by 8:30, and it's not crowded.
Dropping straight down. Have